Anatomy terminology today, we are going to learn the basic anatomical terms used to describe the human body. Introduction. In anatomy, special words are used to explain directions and positions, so doctors and students can communicate clearly. Anterior versus posterior. Anterior means the front of the body, while posterior means the back of the body. Superior versus inferior. Superior refers to something above, and inferior refers to something below. Medial versus lateral. Medial means closer to the midline, while lateral means away from the midline. Proximal versus distal. Proximal means nearer to the point of origin, and distal means farther from the origin. Anatomical position. In anatomy, the standard reference is called the anatomical position. The body stands upright, facing forward, with arms at the sides and palms facing outward. Key terms describe directions: anterior, ventral equals front, posterior,